Hey Samantha, this is a channel that is dedicated just for you, so that you can feel just a bit closer to me, even though you're like hours and kilometers away from me. And so yeah, this is pretty much my channel to you, and I'll be making random uploads. It might not be quite long, it might be a few seconds, it could be a few minutes. You can't go over 10 minutes, so don't worry, you won't have to sit through 10 minutes of utter nonsense from me, but I hope you enjoy it. So this first clip on our channel is of my, just so that you get to know kind of what they look like before you come and see me. I'll show you each of them and tell you their names. Okay, this is the first I found. This is Ducky, rolling on the bed. Ducky, Ducky, hello. Aww, love you, my boy. I'll show you his mother and his siblings. Hi, another one. This is Lex, Jock's brother. Hello, my boy. He's very shy. He's cute. You know, we're filming. There's Sassy. You know, Sassy. Hey, Sassy. Hey, Sassy. Yes, hello, hello, hello. Hey, Duffy. Hello, hello, Duffy. Hello, Duffy. Hello. Okay. And this is Muffin. She's the mother of Jock, Lex, and Bazilala Taz. This is Coco. She's a baby. Say hello to Sam, Coco. Say hello. She is very, very hyper. Finally found the last one. No, almost all. This is Lali, Bazilala Taz. And she is the sister of Jock and Lex and the daughter of Muffin. We kept 3 of Muffin's 6 puppies. So there you have it, my menagerie of dogs. And I couldn't find our 2 cats, Rum Tum and Tinky. Yeah, I will speak to you tomorrow. Gonna go get my bottle of rosé tomorrow as well, tomorrow morning. And looking forward to it. Looking forward to seeing the boys. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this, and yeah, lots of love. Bye, babe.